Hello everyone and welcome back to English Sensei Show, where learning English is easy, friendly and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Hi Emma, how are you today?
I'm feeling great, Jack. Very excited actually, because today's topic is super important for beginners.
Oh yes, absolutely important. Something we all have to do in English.
Right. Today we are talking about how to talk about yourself in English.
Introductions, describing yourself, talking about your life, your likes, your family, your job, all the useful things.
Yes, it's one of the first things people ask you when they meet you.
Exactly. Tell me about yourself. It can feel scary in English, but don't worry. After this episode, you will feel confident.
Before we begin, friends, please hit the like button, subscribe to English Sensei Show, and share this episode with someone who is learning English.
Yes, please do. Your support means everything to us. Okay, Emma, shall we start?
Yes, let's begin with the basics. When you talk about yourself, start simple. Start with your name.
Yes, you can say, my name is, I am, you can call me.
Very simple, very friendly. For example, my name is Emma.
And I'm Jack. Easy.
Then people often ask, where are you from? You can answer, I'm from India. I come from Brazil. I live in Tokyo.
And if you want to sound more natural, you can add, I'm originally from Spain, but now I live in London. I grew up in Chennai, but I live in Mumbai now.
Yes, that sounds very natural.
Let's do a small example conversation.
Okay,
Hi, what's your name?
my name is Emma. What's your name?
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. And you?
I'm from Pune.
See? Very simple and friendly.
Now, let's talk about age. Some people don't like to ask directly, but in English, if you want to share, you can say, I'm 25 years old. I'm 30.
And you can also say, I'm in my 20s. I'm in my 30s.
Yes, this is softer and polite.
Right. And if someone asks, how old are you? And you don't want to answer, you can simply smile and say, I prefer not to say.
Good polite expression. Very helpful. People will often ask, what do you do? This means, what is your job? What is your work?
You can answer, I'm a teacher. I work as a designer. I'm a student. I work in a bank.
And if you don't have a job yet, you can say, I'm looking for a job. I'm between jobs right now.
Sounds gentle and polite.
Let's do a role play.
Sure.
So, Jack, what do you do?
I'm a video editor. I make YouTube videos, short films, and ads. What about you? What do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I help students learn speaking, listening, and pronunciation.
That sounds fun.
It is. I love it.
Now, let's talk about family. This is a very common topic when talking about yourself.
Yes, you can say, I live with my family. I have one sister. I have two brothers. I'm married. I'm single. I have a big family. I have a small family.
You can add more details. My mom is a nurse. My dad works in a shop. My sister is studying in college.
Small details help people know you better.
Let's share our examples.
Okay, I have one younger sister. She is very funny and very sweet.
Aw, nice. I have an older brother. He is very smart and loves technology.
Now, let's talk about your daily routine, because this also explains a lot about who you are.
You can say, I wake up early. I start work at 9. I go to the gym. I cook dinner every night.
Add small details to sound natural. I drink coffee in the morning. I like to read at night. I take a walk after dinner.
Let's share ours. Emma, what is something in your daily life that describes you?
I always start my day with a cup of tea and soft music. It makes me feel calm.
That sounds lovely. I usually eat breakfast late because I wake up slowly. I am not a morning person.
Oh yes, I remember that.
Yes, yes, mornings are not my friend.
Now, let's talk about likes and dislikes. Very important for describing yourself.
You can say, I like cooking. I love traveling. I enjoy music. I don't like waking up early. I hate traffic.
And if you want to be softer, polite, I'm not a big fan of spicy food. I prefer tea.
Let's share some real examples.
I love reading mystery books. I enjoy quiet evenings. And I don't like cold weather.
Interesting. I love video games. I like long drives. And I am not a fan of loud places.
That sounds very you, Jack.
Yes, 100%.
This is a big one. You need simple words to describe who you are.
You can say, I'm friendly. I'm shy. I'm hardworking. I'm patient. I'm funny.
And if you want softer expressions, I'm a bit shy. I'm very friendly. I'm a little quiet at first. I'm quite confident.
Yes, these small words, very, a bit, quite, help a lot.
Jack, how would you describe yourself?
I think I'm friendly, a little funny, and sometimes lazy.
Sometimes?
Okay, often.
Honest answer.
What about you?
I think I'm patient, calm, and a little talkative.
A little?
Okay, very talkative.
Yes, that's true.
Hobbies are a great way to talk about yourself.
Yes, you can say, I like dancing. I enjoy painting. My hobby is photography. I love football. I am interested in history.
You can even say, in my free time, I like to... On weekends, I usually...
Example?
Sure. In my free time, I like to practice yoga.
On weekends, I usually watch movies.
Simple and clear. When you talk about yourself, it's also nice to share your dreams.
Yes, people love hearing that. You can say, my dream is to travel the world. I want to improve my English. I hope to become a designer. My goal is to learn a new skill.
Sharing dreams makes you sound open and friendly.
What's one of your dreams, Emma?
I want to write a book one day.
Wow, that's a beautiful dream.
And you?
I want to open a small cafe, a cozy one, with books and coffee.
Oh, that sounds perfect for you. Now, let's put everything together. Here is a natural self-introduction.
Hi, my name is Jack. I'm from Delhi, but now I live in Pune. I'm 28 years old. I work as a video editor. I live with my family, my mom, dad, and older brother. I'm friendly and easygoing. I love movies, long drives, and playing video games. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music and cooking simple food. My goal is to open a small cafe one day.
That's perfect. Clear, friendly, natural English.
Now your turn, Emma.
Hello, my name is Emma. I'm from Pune. I'm 27 years old. I'm an English teacher and I love my job. I'm patient, calm, and very talkative. I enjoy reading books, cooking, and doing yoga. I don't like cold weather, but I love quiet mornings. My dream is to write a book someday.
Beautiful.
Wow, Jack, we covered so much today.
Yes, from names to family to hobbies to dreams. Everything you need to talk about yourself in English.
Dear listeners, thank you so much for being here with us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like the video, subscribe to English Sensei Show, and share it with your friends.
And now we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments, please tell us 3 things about yourself: your name, your hobby, and your dream.
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for joining us today.
Take care, keep practicing English, and see you in the next episode of English Sensei Show.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.